Hey everybody, B Maldonado here. I've got a really fun one for you. Now, I figured this out probably 12 years ago. But I just went searching the web to see if anybody else had figured this out, and I don't see any videos about it whatsoever. So, I'm going to show you this really simple trick to just get reception from your TV, from even your digital TV, from the air, really, really, really cheap. So I'm guessing you probably already have a coaxial cable, if you're plugged into cable. Um, so let me show you this. I've got my TV here. Got pretty good reception. You see here I have a gallon of water. Oh, it's really hard to see. Oh, my camera kind of sucks. But anyways, here's a gallon of water. Now I've got a coaxial cable in the gallon of water. I'm pulling it out right now. Watch what happens. No signal. Well, there's still a little bit of water left on the coaxial cable. It's making it work. But yep, there went the signal again. Yep, there went the water, there went the signal. Alright, now I'm going to put it back into this gallon of water. There's the signal again. So really all I'm doing is I'm just taking the other end of the coaxial cable and I'm just putting it into a gallon of water. See, there went the signal again. Signal's gone. I put it back in. And it might take a little bit. Oh, yeah, it might take a little bit. But here comes back the signal. And maybe I need to get away from that gallon jug. And you know, I'm gonna try to play with this a little bit. I'm gonna see if maybe I need to add some electrolytes or something like that to the solution, or if maybe distilled water might work better. But I do get reception when I put the coaxial cable in the jug. This is quite a lag right now. It usually doesn't happen. It usually just kind of plays freely. Yeah, you can actually just take a coaxial cable and put it into water and it'll give you signal. Yeah, I could probably try another channel. Someone might, not have the greatest, signal coming here in the first place, but water amplifies the signal, and I'm gonna try with distilled, and I'm gonna try with salt water, and we'll see which one works better. This is just tap water, just for an example, but yeah, you can get signal with just a gallon of water. And this was working a lot better earlier. I don't understand what's going on right now. Maybe I have to adjust. Maybe I have to adjust where. There we go. That's all I had to do, is adjust where the cable was in the water. See that? See, you got signal. Just from a gallon of water. Just from a gallon of water, just sitting right here. This gallon of water. It's got a coaxial cable running into it from the back of the TV. And that's it. And that's what I use to get signal. No cardboard with tinfoil and all that bullshit that they had from the 70s. And, this is just the simplest thing you can possibly do to get reception. Anyways, I just thought I'd share this with everybody, just so that those clear TV antennas and whatnot, and, the free TV, all that crap they're trying to sell you for like $20. Really, you can just do with a gallon of water and a coaxial cable. See? Still, perfectly good reception. You just have to get the coaxial cable into the right spot in the water, and the water amplifies the signal, and there you go. Perfect reception. Just like any other HD TV antenna. All you need is a gallon of water. So anyways, this is B Maldonado here, signing off. Later.